Today we are going to solve the fifth problem, third subdivision in exercise 8.4. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Now let us take left hand side, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Let us write tan and cot in terms of sine and cos. We know tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. By 1 minus, if tan is sin theta by cos theta, cot will be cos by sin. So now plus cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Now we get sin theta by cos theta by, I am going to take the LCM here. So it becomes sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Again I am taking LCM here. So now you know whenever you divide a number, a fraction by the other one, we find the reciprocal of that. Same way here, sin theta by cos theta divided by this. So it becomes into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Same thing here also. So I am writing this as sin theta into sin theta. This denominator goes up. Sin theta into sin theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Here just notice here, this is sin theta minus cos theta. Here it is cos theta minus sin theta. So in order to bring this in the form of sin theta minus cos theta, I am just changing this plus sign as minus. If I change the sign as minus, I can change this order, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, if you open the bracket also, the value will not change. It becomes minus sin theta and plus cos theta. So the next step I am writing sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus becomes minus here. Cos into cos is cos square theta sin theta. Since I have changed the sign, this order I can write as sin theta minus cos theta. Now we have got both the sin theta minus cos theta. So when I take LCM, I can write sin theta minus cos theta as it is and multiply this cos theta into sin theta. So now when I take the LCM here, both are same. So I just want to multiply sin square theta into sin theta minus cos square theta into cos theta. So I got sin square theta into sin theta minus cos square theta into cos theta by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now this is Power's law you have learned, is it not? Law of exponents. So a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So it is sin square theta into sin theta is sin cube theta minus this is cos cube theta by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now this is of the form a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Identity. So I am using this identity here. This is a, this is b. So sin plus cos. Sin minus cos. Sin theta minus cos theta into a square sin square theta, b square cos square theta plus ab sin theta into cos theta by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now here sin theta minus cos theta gets cancelled. So here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You know that. So it becomes 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So as I told you, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we have written 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Now I am going to split it like 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Now this gets cancelled. So remaining left out will be 1. And this is nothing but 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. So I got 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta plus 1. I just change the order as it is given in the question. I written 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. This is right hand side. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved you can write. The next one is, prove that 1 plus secant A by secant A is equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos C. Here first I am taking, here in the book it is mentioned, you can find it separately, LHS and RHS. So since it is given like that, we can do separately, or we can take LHS and prove to RHS, or we can take RHS and prove to LHS. So there are three different ways to do in this. So now LHS I am taking. I can take 1 plus secant A by secant A, that is left hand side. Secant I can write in terms of cos. So I can write 1 plus 1 by cos A. You know 1 by cos A is secant A by 1 by cos A. Now I am taking LCM for this. So I get cos A plus 1 by cos A by 1 by cos A. Again, it is just like a fraction divided by another fraction. So you have to find the reciprocal. So cos A plus 1 by cos A into cos A by 1. Cos A and cos A gets cancelled. So the answer is cos A plus 1. Now let us take the right hand side. The right hand side is sin square A by 1 minus cos A. So this sin square A, you know 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So I am just writing sin square A as 1 minus cos square A by 1 minus cos A. Now this can be written as 1 square minus cos square A by 1 minus cos A. So this is A square minus B square. You know A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So this is A, this is B. So 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A and 1 minus cos A gets cancelled. So we get 1 plus cos A. So left hand side and right hand side is equal. Or else this right hand side you can take and you can prove till 1 plus cos A. Then again we can proceed. This cos A can be written as 1 by secant A. So you get secant A plus 1 by secant A, which is nothing but left hand side. This is also one method to do. Taking right hand side and proving to left hand side. Now the second method, what I have done is I have taken left hand side and proved to right hand side. So left hand side is 1 plus secant A by secant A is equal to, I have written secant A in terms of cos. 1 plus 1 by cos A by 1 by cos A. Because I have to prove to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. So I have just written in this form. Now this I am taking LCM and we get cos A plus 1 by cos A, and this becomes reciprocal into cos A by 1. That is equal to this, and the cos A and cos A gets cancelled. You get cos A plus 1. But we have to prove to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. So what I am going to do is, I am taking 1 plus cos A. I am multiplying the numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos A. So I get this is A plus B, A minus B. So this is A square minus B square. That is 1 square minus cos A square by 1 minus cos A. Now this is A, this is B. So A square 1 square minus cos A the whole square. This I can write as 1 minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos square A is nothing but sin square A. Sin square A by 1 minus cos A, that is nothing but right hand side. So we have proved LHS equal to RHS. Thank you.